In this video, I'm going to show how to make a full width page in the Thrive Theme Builder page layout, also known as Shapeshift theme. So, as a reference, I have Thrive Architect installed in this website along with other plugins, but I don't need the other plugins. I only need Thrive Architect, which I have installed, and also this Thrive Theme Builder, which I have also installed. So as a reference, I'm going to follow this blog post, so it is easier for me to make the page. So let me go through the different steps. So let me discuss the problems when you're like trying to make a full width page in Thrive Architect. So suppose you have the theme builder installed and you create a new page and edit with it with Thrive Architect. So when you're editing the page with Thrive Architect, you will have some issues like making it full width. So for example, this one, this is the top section. So this section takes up a lot of space and it prevents from creating the full width page. So we'll need to remove this section, the top section. And suppose I add a background section to the page, and that background section does not like fill up the whole full width automatically. So there are spaces in both the left and right hand side, spaces, large spaces, and also there are some spaces in the top and at the bottom. And there is a large top section and this bottom section are both from the theme builder, and Thrive Architect only gets this area. This is the content area. So I'm going to show how you can remove this top section, this bottom section, and how to make this area cover up the full width of the page. So let's get started. So as a reference, I'm going to follow this blog post, and I'm going to follow the different steps. So firstly, step 1, create a new page and edit with Thrive Architect. So let me go to the dashboard and pages, add new. So let me just give it a name, Thrive. Let me just give it a name, full width. Now let me just save it as draft and then edit it with Thrive Architect. Edit the page with Thrive Architect. So let me see. So what's the next step? Let me see what's the next step. Let the page load. Okay, so now you can see the section. The page just looks like this one. Title section, call to action section. And when I'm adding a background section, let me just add a background section. And so this is the background section. You can see this background section does not fill up the whole width. Let me just give it a background color just for reference. Now this is too light. Let me just give F0. Okay, so this is the background section. Spaces at the top, at the bottom, and on either sides, left and right, and also the top section, and also the call to action section. So let me see what's in the step 1. I created a new page. Step 2, remove the top section. So let's see how we can remove the top section. So to remove the top section, we'll need to click over here, page, then go under the visibility settings, and then under the top section we'll need to hide it. So let me just this is the page settings over here, and then under visibility settings and under the top section. So this is the top section. I'll just need to hide it. So this is gone now, and then I'll need to remove the bottom section in the same way. So let me go to the page, bottom section, height. Okay, so now this is done. And then what's the step 3? Add a background section. I've already added a background section over here, so that is done. Then I'll need to add, okay, I've added a background color. Let me do another thing. Let me set the minimum height of the background section to 500 pixel. 500 pixel. Okay, good enough. Just to know that, just to keep track of the background section, so you can see when it covers the full width of the page. And add a background section. Let's see what's the next step. Removing the space from the sides. So how can we? Then we need to remove these two spaces from the sides, left and right spacing. Under the, when you select the background section, under the main options, just turn this option on, stretch to fit screen width. So that will make the section to cover up the whole screen width. But you can see there is a little spacing left at the top, above the background section. So what I have to do now, I have to click the background section and add 40 pixel margin. So that's how I'm removing the top and bottom spacing, top spacing, minus 40 pixel margin. So let me just do another thing. Let me just give it a nice background style. Let me set a background image just to show you that it looks much nicer with the background image. Let me give a dark color overlay. Let me align this text content in center, typography center, and then let me just set this color as white. Let me just set a Montserrat from Google Fonts, and let me just make it huge. Let me give it a title: Make Money Online. Okay, great. So this you can see that it looks much nicer when it's full width than when it's not. Let me just do another thing. Okay, fine. So this is how it looks in the full width. Let me add another section. Let me just add another section to show you how it works. So once again, see, this is the background section. To make it, then make it stretch. Then let me give it a background color so that we know that it covers the full width. Okay, so this is the background section. So let me just add a content block over here. Just to show you like how it actually works. So let me add this one just to show you. Okay, see, now it just like the background section covers the entire width. And let me just add padding top, padding bottom. Okay, done. So now after like making the background section stretch full width, you can control it's like maximum content width. You can do anything you want. You can like make it 1200 pixel. Okay, fine. And another thing, like you can see, like the last section you are going to add, there will be a gap between the last section and the footer, Thrive theme builder footer. So to remove that, you'll just need to select the last section. Like this is the last section, this is the first section, this is the second section, this second section is the last section. So there will be a gap between the last section and the footer. To remove this, simply just select this background section. Under the layout and position, just set the margin to minus 40 pixel. So that will remove the gap between the last section and the footer. So this is how you make full width page in with Thrive Architect in the Thrive theme builder page layout. uh, so this is the way you make it. And so yeah, like if you want to like have a look at this blog, this blog like contains the whole like all of the steps I followed to make this full width page. So you can follow this blog post instead of watching this video. You can also follow this blog post. I'm giving the link of this blog post down in the description below. If you found this video useful, then please like this video and also subscribe to my channel to get more updates and see more videos like this. Thank you and have a nice day.